Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I just want to share some of the photos that I took at Yosemite using the GFX 100 Mark II. Unfortunately, when I was visiting, the higher elevation points were closed off due to snow, but if you have any other recommendations of cool spots to photograph while in Yosemite, please let me know because I'm sure I'll be back. I shot in a variety of places. Let me just read them out. Tunnel View, El Capitan Meadow, Centennial Meadow, Centennial Bridge, and a few other places, but I basically just wanted to share photos from this trip. I hope you enjoy them.
From the ocean floor to you, I've crossed the desert and the endless sea. I'm not the same.
Some context around this photo: I woke up super early, went out into the meadow, and as I was walking on this little bridge, this little walkway, I saw two deer crossing the bridge and just really lucked out. I also got really lucky that not all of the leaves had fallen when I visited because this was in October, so I feel like I got some pretty good shots with some leaves that still had their color. I also failed to mention possibly my favorite sunset spot, which is Taft Point. From the valley, you do have to drive about 50 minutes around the mountain and up some elevation to get to Taft Point. But once you're up there, you park, you hike in, a pretty easy hike, about a mile in, and it's a beautiful cliff where you can see like the whole valley. You can see El Capitan. If you haven't been to Yosemite, you should definitely check it out. If you have any favorite spots you like to photograph or just great scenery, feel free to drop it in a comment below. I'd love to check it out. I also want to say, if you do like any of these photos, I do have some of them up on a gallery on my website where you can actually order prints now. That's it for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.